Hello guys! Welcome sa ating market recap. So last Friday, our index closed a bit higher by 22 points with a selling at the close. Yan, so hindi na sustain. We are now trading in a 3-day range here. 3 to 4-day range including this candle. And within our expectation that we are going to be trading sideways between 7,400 even up to 6,800. So this move still a down move and we might see 6,800 still to come sa susunod na mga araw. So that is it for my outlook with the PSEI. For the winners, we have ECP na nag-ceiling kanina and with catalyst. However, the value 1 million, very light volume. This could be a jockey play though. And yan, pwede itong bilihin. Mag-stop loss ka na lang on the break of this level. However, liquidity might be an issue here. So, kung gusto mong laruin ito, do buy a very minimal position. As on the bid and ask ka, huwag kang bibili ng 1 million, ganyan. Dahil nakita naman natin dito sa mga bid and ask na napaka konti ng mga activity dito. So let's move on. We have OPMB that is still trading within 0.1 and 0.2, 1.2, 0.01 and 0.0120. Yan, dito banda. Diyan lang siya since August. And this one, I have said before that this could be jockeyed one of these days as this pump, yan, tapos ay nagka-sell down agad and nandito siya, nagko-consolidate. So as long as above 0.1, we might see a pump eventually pabalik kahit man lang sa gap na to. Ito, we have an unfilled pivot here that would be a likely target with the pump that is to come for OPMB, and that is possible as long as this can remain above 0.1. Same with OPM, ganun na din ang basa natin kay OPM. We have ACE and XOR, one of the major winners for this day. Yan, up by 15% with 77 million volume. So, paangat pa yung volume. Yan. And all-time high territory. As we said, all-time highs during the light bear season ay baka dito magkumpulan ang mga tao. So, any retest of this level could likely be bought, and any dip pabalik sa moving averages natin would still likely be bought. Do wait for a retest or an opportunity para pumasok, as buying agad dito would be risky. So, yan. Pwede lang din naman, but do be quick and alamin nyo kung hanggang saan kaya nyo i-tolerate na risk. So ito, maganda sabi nga natin, still put on watch kung wala pa din kayo for an opportunity to enter. So napakadami ng opportunity na itong pumasok. First, dito yan, nung sinabi natin dito. We have a breakout from this a triangle here. We have the range breakout here, and we said another buy here for a retest of this breakout from the range. Yan, tapos nagpatuloy na naman. We have another breakout here, waiting for another buy opportunity for this stock. So let's move on. We have IDC, again, one of the stocks we talked about the previous day, and ito may catalyst, stock dividends. Now we are trading on this range, as we have said that this consolidation might challenge that resistance. So yan na nga, we are gonna be likely going even higher, and upon breaking out from this range, we could go back and trade at the high. So yan, maganda ba yung stock divs niya? Hindi ko binasa. Nakita ko lang dito sa news, stock dividends. So that could be the driving force of this up move. So several days gap up again today. So yan, for IDC, if a pullback could be likely on 2.20, then that would likely be bought. Or since malayo pa sa MAs, baka mag-consolidate pa yan muna dito. Or possible pa din to go back to our trends, and that would be an opportunity to buy. Okay, we have UBP. Yan, nagka-adjustan na ng chart. So binawa ko na yung mga previous drawings natin. We have this level again. We should break out from this line to continue the all-time high, like natural. And this candle is a very neutral candle, although gain. So if mag-red to on the next days, we might see the pullback. Yan, kasi tapos na yung catalyst niya, stock dividends. So nandito pa yung mga nakapwesto dyan. Might take some profits off the table, and we might see the pullback. However, if may pump pa to, then this should break out on this highs one of these days. So CUBP din, dito pa yan. We have a feature here from the range breakout dito. We first spotted this one here. So yung scenario na sinasabi natin na babalik kasi trading in a range ay hindi nag-materialize, and we were wrong about that. So yun, we changed our outlook here when it broke out here. Yan, we have this because of the stock dividends. And also, I think may mga positive catalyst to. May nababasa ako, Citibank, something like that. So, pag ganon, may hype na, ay careful na lang din. Lalo, alam nyo na yung pag may balita, you're too late. You're a bit late with your entry. So, dito pa lang yan, sigurado sila. Sigurado ay nandito pa lang. Alam na may alam na something. Tapos dito pa lang lalabas yung balita. So yan, be very careful, especially with this candle or a pullback. Still on a bullish note, the UBP, lalo na trading at the all-time high territory. We have R8, wherein still remaining bullish by staying afloat this minor swing here. Buhay pa, hindi pa nag-taken out ng lows. However, we must break out from this one to continue this up move. Otherwise, we might see it consolidate for a while on this level. So that is 50 pesos psychological resistance. BSMI, medyo matagal lang din nasilip. So ito, we said before, we have a pivot here. So nandyan pa din, and we did our expectation to trade sideways on this level for a while. This looks like transitioning into distribution. This could be distribution. And if this is not distribution, then this must take out this recent high one of these days. So kasi medyo natatagalan na siya dito. So pag tumagal pa lalo dyan, may mga maiinip at magte-take profit. So that could drive the prices lower. As this one has been on an uptrend for a long time now, still on a bullish note pa din despite the slowdown. That is it for our top gainers. Sa losers naman, Philippine natin si SCC. Well, si SCC andito pa din as expected to be on this box na yung prices would be trading there for a while. TBGI, yan, hindi na natin nasilip to. Ito, isa to yung may hype na catalyst daw. Yan, nag-gap up and straight up sell down. After, yun yung mga iniingatan nyo dapat na huwag kayong bibili basta-basta kapag may hype. Lalo na pag yung chart ay ganito. Tignan nyo na lang din si PES. Ganito yung chart. Range bound. May hype. Yan. Sell down. So, si PES. Silipin natin si PES. Yan. Parehas ng chart kay TBGI. Range bound. May hype. Lumipad. Nag-gap up. And sold down right after. You can see some patterns with those stocks na range bound tapos hina-hype. Yan, nagkakaipitan. So ito, we have a green candle after this sell-off. Huge sell-off. What could be a play here? We have a potential low as this one. We have said that on the break. Ay, yan na nga. If this chart is still dito relevant dahil nag-adjusted na nga ng prices, so hindi ko sigurado talaga guys kung relevant pa yan. So this could be a low, however may sell-off pa din yung candle niya, however na-take out niya and tried dito banda. So we have a possible play here on this box. Yan, on the break of that box we can probably take out this gap, but we might see it consolidate further, and breaking down from that box would be, of course, we would be going lower. O saan pa nga ba? So on our most active stocks, what do we see here? Well, yun lang naman. Converge and dun pa din within expectation, trading range bound here. Now inside a 4-day 4, 1, 2, 3. This looks a very compressed range with a itong 4 na to ay we have a bullish bias. However, on the medium term trend ay we have a bearish bias. That's why we are sideways nga, as expected. We are saying this would be sideways. So yan, hindi mo masabi kung saan pupunta. May bulls dito, may bears dito. They are trading inside a range. So yan na lang muna for Converge. ASEN, another down move, and that is what we said. This is transitioning to sideways as well. That is it for our stocks. So, yung 200 MA ng PSEI natin ay andito banda. That is why we are eyeing a return there one of these days. Lalo na with the current sentiment sa market. So, yun lang muna. See you guys on the next one. Have a great day and peace out.